Clinical Management Part 2. In the previous video, we stopped at billing. In this video, we'll be looking at how to send patient to nurse pool. Number 2, we'll be looking at how to check out the patient. Alright, okay, so the next question is this: where does the patient go after here? So the next thing is you go back to your doctor waiting pool and then you check out this patient. So these are the options that we have. You can send this particular patient to the nurse exit pool. You can send this patient to the nurse entrance pool. The difference between the nurse entrance pool and the nurse exit pool is, in some, it has to do with the hospital workflow. If in your hospital, once the patient gets to records, definitely from the records, maybe the patient gets to to the nurses before the patient sees the doctor, definitely you will need a nurse entrance pool. But let's say maybe from the records, maybe the patient can assess the doctor, so definitely you don't need a nurse entrance pool. So what you need is a nurse exit pool. So which means that once the patient sees the doctor, definitely the patient gets to see the nurses. You understand? So that is so I can send this particular patient to nurse exit pool, or let's say this patient doesn't have to see the nurses and then I'm checking out this patient, I can check out the patient. So if the patient is going to the nurse exit pool, so I click on this and then I double click. So here I have a status: this particular patient is with a nurse. So from here I want to show you how to check out the patients. Okay, let's go set an appointment for a patient, and then from there, so we'll just see how the checkout looks like. Alright, so let's look for something. We have to something in the system. Alright, so we're setting up on for setting up on for something Alice. Okay, so let's see how to check out the patient. So for me to check out this particular patient, I click on, I believe you understand how to, you have to click on documentation, you click on attend to patient. So we're just looking at checkout. So once I click on this checkout, I have this drop down, and then from here, if this particular patient is going to be admitted, all I need to do is just to admit to ward, and then if this patient is going on, I pick home with appointment, home with no further appointment. Let's say this patient is going to the ward. All I need to do is to select the ward that the patient will be going. Maybe here I have private ward, I have east ward, so I can pick this. I click on apply, and if this patient is, let's say this patient is going home with no further appointment, so I pick this and I click on apply. So here you can see that the patient status, the patient has been checked out. So it's just to show you how to check out a patient. I hope this video will be very informative. Thank you for viewing.